Greetings from Birla High School. Here we present a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle consisting of mainly four parts. These two electrolyzation chambers, this 6-volt battery, this fuel cell, and this vehicle powered by two electric motors. When electrolysis of water takes place in these two electrolyzing chambers, which is powered by this 6-volt battery, oxygen and hydrogen gas are produced which are fed into this fuel cell. This fuel cell has an anode and a cathode around the middle layer of electrolyte in which we have used potassium hydroxide. The DC current produced as a result of redox reactions in the presence of catalysts inside the fuel cell power the electric motors of this vehicle, which helps it run. Thank you.
Runs on a hydrogen fuel cell which generates electricity through redox reactions. The hydrogen produced due to electrolysis is fed to the anode while the oxygen is fed to the cathode. The electrons of hydrogen travel through the electrolyte, which is potassium hydroxide, and combines with oxygen at the cathode. This forms water at the cathode, which is reused as a fuel for electrolysis. This redox reaction generates electricity, which charges the batteries, powering the motors of the vehicle. This technology can be used to power much larger setups, but the power in this apparatus is reduced through a limiting circuit. The batteries are very low powered, delivering a 6 ampere current at most, thus increasing the efficiency. Hydrogen fuel cell vehicles are instrumental in controlling motor emissions and reducing air pollutions. The reuse of water several times as a fuel decreases the demand for fuel, contrary to ordinary electric cars. We are also working on making a remote control system for our vehicle using a RC module and an Arduino chip. That stage is currently under development.
I will explain the practical process of how we made this machine. First, we prepare the electrolyzing chambers. This has two holes on the lid, both of them have two holes on the lid, one for the wires to go in and one for the gas outlet. These are both connected so that we don't need two separate electrolyzers to produce the hydrogen and oxygen gas. This is powered by this 6-volt 5 milliamp hour battery. It is rechargeable, and the gas produced by these electrolyzers go into this fuel cell. This fuel cell was prepared with the bottom of a bottle and the battery. The cathode is made out of a zinc piece. The electrolyte is potassium hydroxide. This is how the car works. I will put it on this. And of course, the main attraction of our project is not the car. We have made the car to demonstrate the electricity produced by this fuel cell.